ako magsabon, kaya ako maganda, diba? Wala akong mini-maintain. Halang-halang. Ano na ba itong paglilinis na to? Sino? Anybody who want to hire me? 100 pesos per day for my 1 meal. Guys, napakog ko. Yeah. Can you see me? I am here. Wala na buo. Woo! Grabe. Ayan, natulog na lang ako. Ang lapad pala ng mukha ko. Very supportive to me. We both watching full videos. Unlike other people there, only watching 2-3 minutes. Paking ko kayo eh. Kaya hindi ako pumasa sa Muni. Dahil sinisilip nyo lang ako. Naggalit na ako sa inyo. Crisis na, panoorin nyo para pumasa ako sa Muni. Good morning, party people. This is Witty Bonita. I am cooking right now my brunch. This is my brunch. It's gabi. Oy. It's gabi in Tagalog, gabi in English, gabi in other term is yam. Sa bukid namin is bisol. Bisol ito, guys. Iba ang gabi sa amin. Kasi yung gabi, medyo may kulay. Okay, this is my brunch. Hello, good morning. This is Witty Bonita. I just want to show you my meal for today. No, it's my brunch. It is a gabi. Gabi in Tagalog, in English gabi, in other term is yam. Mamaya. Mamaya. Laki ng bunganga ko. In Bisaya, we call it bisol. Like tamarind, bisol kasi yung the gabi is different plant because we have it in our province. The gabi is isang puno siya, tapos isang ano lang siya, isang ganito. Ang gabi. Ang bisol, this is the bisol. Ang bisol sa isang puno, malaman mo talaga taga-bundok ako kasi alam ko, diba? The bisol, this one, isang puno siya, pero sa ilalim, madami siya. So, this is the bisol, we call it. The gabi is one like this only. And the leaves, you can cook them for vegetables, yung laing, ganun yun. Yun yung gabi. Bisol to. But in English, it's still gabi, right? Gabi is so many things. And also the yam. This is very healthy. I really like this. Like sweet potato also, it's my favorite. And this gabi, bisol. It's high in, that's why I'm beautiful, right? It's rich in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and everything. And it's good for beauty and brain. Okay, this is only a clip. This is my brunch. Ganyan lang meal ko. That's my meal. My real meal. With some coffee. It's hot. And there's another cup. You're wondering what's this? It's cereal. So I am full pack of fiber. My face is like this. It's like 10 a.m. I just woke up and my hair is go everywhere. So I have to shout out someone because they requested me and they said pa-shout out. So when you said pa-shout out, I will shout out you and I hope you will watch too. Because I shout out some people and then they don't even know because they don't watch the next video, right? So I will shout out to Melanie Kinson's vlog. Melanie Stinson's vlog, hi to you. You're a good chef. You cook very good. And also, Pinay Domestic Helper HK. Hello to you, girl. Thank you so much for your support. And also for Rain T. Hello to you. They're all in abroad. And also ZD Homie. You bro, you don't watch the next, I shout out to you. I will punch your kalbo. And also Roseline Cardona. Hello. Those are a special shout out because they asked me to shout out. Next time, yun na yung iba. Next time na lang kasi abuti na naman ng 1 taon tong video ko. Okay, this is a clip. I don't want to video the entire, because it will take forever. It's hard. Bye. Hello. A day in quarantine. This is what happened. I will clean the floor. Okay. Nakita ang ko, kaluluwa ko. Hello guys. How are you doing? Ganito lang. Kasi, napakog ako. Because when I'm cleaning the floor, I don't have a mop. It's only the what we call this? Trapo. Basahan. Okay. Napakog ko. Yeah. Can you see me? I am here. This is a day in quarantine. I will clean the floor. You can see my big pies. Okay, nabuhay na to. This is a day in quarantine. Sanay ako maglilinis guys kasi katulong ako dati. Maid before. See? Anybody who want to hire me? A maid. Galing ko linis. This is a day in quarantine. Okay, dito sa ilalim kasi hindi ito masyadong nalinisan. Agay! Can you see me? Can you really see me? Okay, I will shout out my favorite friends. Charot! Favorite friends dito sa ilalim ng lamisa. Under the table, I will shout out you. The regular friends. Kayo din. Regular friends who visited me so much, not only like 3 to 5 minutes. The people that I know that they play me long. Hello to Alta Maria Altamia, your Zen's Crowns. Hello girl. Agay, napakog ko. And Chef Harris Salvia. Hello. Napakog ko. And Summer Rain Channel, I love you guys. Love ko talaga siya. Ray Glenn pala din, of course. I'm number 1 of his list. It's so funny. He wrote it down all the people that he subscribed, and then I'm on the top. But Mang Yao, he's very supportive also. Yeah, he's a nice singer. Okay, while I'm cleaning my floor, namamala yung kamay ko. My hands is very, when you hold the phone up high and then it's very. Bart Mang Yao is a good singer. Please support him. He is very supportive to me. Those people are very supportive to me. Liva Buhay. Nakita na yung mga pangit na area ng boarding house ko. Liva Buhay in Sweden. She's very supportive to me. We both watching full videos. Unlike other people there, only watching 2-3 minutes. Pain ko kayo eh. Kaya hindi ako pumasa sa Muni. Dahil sinisilip nyo lang ako. Naggalit na ako sa inyo. Crisis na, panoorin nyo para pumasa ako sa Muni. Kalayo-layo lang time ko. Bakit yung iba 1K lang sub, may money na. Tapos mga views, hindi naman ganun kadami, money na. Ako, walang nag-KO sa akin. Yun lang mga binanggit ko. Libabo, hi! Sino pa ba? J&A, thank you girl. She's also very supportive. Mills Magic Kitchen, hello. Hindi ata naayos yung paglilinis ko. Feeling ko. More on top. The rest, I can't mention you all. Of course, you're so many. Magagalit na sila. Sino pa ba? Wait, I'm trying to remember. Okay, daman YouTuber na lang shoutout ko. BFF Bill, I love you. Nga! Ampi. Makita na yung ibang part ng boarding house ko na puro ano na ba itong paglilinis na to? Sino? Anybody who want to hire me? 100 pesos per day for my 1 meal. Hide me! Hide! Wala na buang. Woo! Grabe! Ayan, natulog na lang ako. Ganun, ang lapad pala ng mukha ko, no? Woo! Sino bang shout out ko? My God, Lord! I can't remember everything. There are so many. Ano pa ba? Mills Magic. J&A, si J&A. Hindi ko nga na-shout out sa Mills Magic na lagi sila sa akin. Ngayon lang. Yung iba naka 100 shout out na. Uy! Chef Harris, Fabia, oy, i-visit nyo siya. Makita mo sa ano ko, sa mga palabas ko, siya yung pinakamahaba mag-comment. Magaling, ano siya, he's very nice person. He can say positive things about you, even your show is quite insane and stupid. That's a day in my quarantine. Tama na nga. Baka magalit na yung iba. Sabi, kahaba-haba naman ang video mo, girl. Okay, I'm going to wash my face. I want to show my toilet. This is how my day in quarantine. Mag-vlog ako na maligo ako. Tulad ng mga... Ito sabihin ko. This is my soap safeguard. Pagpatanggal ng bakterya ng mga... Hindi lang ako magsabon, kaya ako maganda, diba? Wala akong limimintin. Halang-halang. Nahalangan ako. Wala nang nakita dyan. Nahalangan ako. Yung kilay ko original yan. Wala yung nilalagay. Lahat original. Masyado atang focus ang mukha ko. Nakita nyo na yung pagmumukha ko. Hindi na ako mag-toothbrush. Haba na. Bye! Nakita na yung panglit ko. Bye! Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Yay! Like, subscribe. Mwah!